I had the opportunity to celebrate my grandmother's 80th birthday. The celebration was held in June on the 20th day of the month. It was amazing to be able to celebrate such a milestone with her. The party was held at my parents' house and we had a great time. She is a very special person to me and I am so grateful to have her in my life. My grandmother was born in 1942, so she is a part of the greatest generation. She has lived through so much and has seen so many changes in her lifetime. One of the things that I admire most about her is her ability to adapt to change. She is very enthusiastic and fond of her grandchildren. Most of times she could be found playing with my nephew who is yet 2 years old. I am so grateful to have her in my life and I know that I am lucky to have such a special event to celebrate. I pray to celebrate such days years to come.